Did you know Snapchat has way more tricks than you might have expected? Aside from these filters that literally all of us use, there are way tons of things that Snapchat actually have. You won't believe me, but I actually saw a real tiger on my screen. Wanna know more about that? Stay with me. Hi, if you're new, hi, I'm Lillian and welcome to my channel. And if you're not, thanks for coming back. So today we're gonna be looking at some Snapchat tricks. Snapchat has tons of tricks, from messages to games to minis to maps to lots of things. So today we're gonna be looking at a few of them. But if you want me to make videos on more of Snapchat tricks, you can leave that in the comment section. And if you can subscribe, please click on the subscribe button over here and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So without further ado, let's get to it.
You guys know the drill. You gotta install the app first. So I'm just gonna go to my Apple Store, then click on Snapchats. I need to be updated, but I already updated it. So yeah, you can see Snapchat has tons of things: stories, spotlights, games, maps, memories, like tons of things. And so let's just get straight to it. Yeah, watch. So a lot of us take pictures this way, like, no, the brightness is too much, you have to adjust it. So this is just what you gotta do. Tap on the screen and yeah, that's it. It's gonna adjust by itself. I don't know if this is gonna work for all phones, but when it comes to iPhones, it does work. And this is just me, using one of the filters as usual. So make sure you give this a try and leave a comment in the comment section about how this helps. So let's go to the next one. Bitmoji. So I'm just literally gonna be recreating my Bitmoji. I've been using this for a while. So yeah, from your outwear to skin tone to hair color, there are tons of hairstyles as well. You can see, so I'm just gonna choose that, and I want to use that color. But since I saw that, I was like, oh, why don't I just do this instead, black and gold. And you can change lots of things. You can make it look exactly like you, probably not exactly, but it will be a look-alike. Tons of headwears you can try. So I'm gonna choose this. You can change the color. You can see what I'm doing. Make sure you check this out. Give this a try. Create your mini you. And yeah, I guess this is the outfit I'll be choosing. Alright, so we can as well change the background. So I wanted something pretty loud and whoa, nice poses, yeah. This was amazing. You guys should go try this out. If you don't know of it, still just check it out. Okay, so the next is stickers and cloning, and I made a video about how to clone yourself. This is just for pictures. Snapchat doesn't have the one for videos, but if you want to know how to clone yourself for a video, the link is in the description box. Yeah, so make sure you try that out. Oh, and this is one of my favorites, snap maps. Like, we've actually underestimated snap maps for real. Like, I can check wherever my friends are. Some of us just use Snapchat for just the filters, but make sure you check this out. I can literally check wherever they are. That's only if they've given us permission to. You can check it. It could be ghost mode, or you can actually turn it on so your friends can see where you are. So those ones that I was able to see, they are not on ghost mode. Unlike me, I am on ghost mode. So also I actually just figured this out, and it was pretty cool, man. This is pretty cool. You can check people within and outside of the country. Yeah, I'm in Nigeria, so I decided to check other countries. All you gotta do is zoom out. You have Senegal, Morocco, different countries. All of those shiny little dots or the spots are people's snaps. So you guys should go check it out and see different things happening all over the world. So this is a video where I this is someone else's snap, and I just checked this. Oh, you guys should go check this out, give this a try, and see for yourself. Like, wait, is that okay? So the next is snap effects, and honestly, this was astonishing, like for real. So I decided to use this, and I literally saw a tiger, like a real tiger. Like, whoa, this is amazing. You guys should check this out. Have fun with it. And I saw the one of an elephant, so I decided to tap on it. Oh my god, it's coming to me. Oh god, I was literally scared. Okay, so let's just check out other effects. This is forward, there's face, there's music. Oh wait, that's Grand Theft Auto, this game. Like, what the fuck, man? Like, what the oh my goodness, this is amazing. Honestly, you guys should go try it out, have fun with it. And I literally have a Disney princess right in front of me in my house. Like this is lit. You guys should check out other effects, aside from the filter we all use. Let's just explore. Got the trending world, music creators. Snapchat has tons of effects you probably didn't know of. So next is games and mini. Make sure you stay to the end because I have something for you. And yeah, this is Wordplays. I like this game a lot, and I'm just my friend sent me a text here. So this is whatever they call it, man. And this is one of the best things I've actually made. This is a greetings card. If you want to write a greetings for your loved one, your friends, whatever. So it's Valentine's coming. So I'm just gonna write something to my best friend, kinda. So let's just see. And make sure you give this a try. Leave your comments in the comment section, and whatever you want me to make video on next, leave that in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, please do. And go and check out my Instagram, my TikTok, my Instagram especially. Give me a follow, and I post really good content there as well. So make sure you like and subscribe, like I said, and hope this video was helpful. If you want me to make video on other things requiring Snapchat or involving Snapchat, you can leave that in the comments as well. Thanks for watching. Love you too.